Hi friends, welcome to our Model Maths Naira Sir YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe and click bell button. So now 2 marks questions means intermediate first year maths 1A product of vectors part 4. 2 marks questions, very short questions we are going to learn. In part 1 and part 2 we completed 7 marks questions and part 3 and part 4 completed 4 marks questions. Next in this class 2 marks questions we are going to learn. So before going to enter into the 2 marks question, let us see some small formulas. I think in these formulas, few already we have learned. First one is unit vector perpendicular to both A and B is plus or minus A cross B by mod A cross B. It already we used in the 4 marks questions. That is the first formula in 4 marks question, and 4 marks problems also we completed based on that formula. Okay, that is also old formula. Next, if A bar and B bar are two vectors, angle between A and B is theta, then cos theta equal to A bar dot B bar by mod A into mod B. This is also we learned formula already in 4 marks question. Next, sin theta formula is modulus A cross B by mod A mod B. This is sin theta formula. Okay, if you expand this formula by using given some two vectors x1i plus y1j plus z1k, x2i plus y2 plus zk, then we can derive as cos theta is equal to, what we can write, x1 into x2 plus y1 into y2 plus z1 into z2 by root of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square into root of x2 square plus y2 square plus z2 square. That's it. Next, if A and B are perpendicular, if you got it, this is the major formula. Okay, cos theta is A dot B by mod A mod B. If this A and B are suppose perpendicular to each other, then what is the condition? Very simple, the dot product of A dot B is equal to 0. If A and B are parallel, then what is the condition? Parallel means angle 0 or 180. Applying this condition, so we can get some x1 by x2 is equal y1 by y2 is equal z1 by z2. See, if you take a1i plus b1j plus c1k and a2i plus b2k plus c2k, the condition becomes a1 by a2 is equal b1 by b2 is equal c1 by c2. Okay, formula we can write anyway. Next, area of parallelogram whose sides are a and b. Already we know in 4 marks also we discussed this formula. What is the area of parallelogram? When diagonals are given, then formula is half modulus c cross d. Next, projection formula. That is very important. Projection vector of B bar on A bar is B bar dot A bar into A bar by mod A square. So this is the projection vector of B on A. Okay. What is the projection vector of B on A? B bar dot A bar into A bar by mod A square. Similarly, component vector of B and perpendicular to A bar is B bar minus same. What is that? B bar dot A bar into A bar by mod A square. Okay, these are the formulas. And one more is remaining, magnitude. What is the magnitude? The length of the projection vector of B on A is, so the length of this so and so is called as simply magnitude. So that magnitude means, to get magnitude, take modulus. If you take modulus, we get modulus B dot A, modulus A by modulus A square. Modulus A, modulus square cancel. Simply we get modulus B dot A by modulus A. Okay. So let us see, very short questions are very easy problems. So simple formulas, simple problems are there. Just try to complete in this part. So let us go to the 2 marks questions. Take the first problem. Find the unit vector perpendicular to the plane determined by the vectors A bar equal 4i plus 3j minus k, B bar equal 2i minus 6j minus 3k. Okay, already we have done in 4 marks. Again I am saying, you can do. So what is perpendicular to unit vector perpendicular to both A and B is plus or minus A cross B by modulus A cross B. So we first find A cross B, then what is modulus A cross B, then formula. So first of all, given that A is 4i plus 3j minus k and B bar is 2i minus 6j minus 3k. So what is A cross B? A cross B is equal, determined I, j, k. What are the elements of A? 4, 3, minus 1. Elements of B? 2, minus 6, minus 3. Simplifying this. So how can we simplify? So which is called I into, next minus j into plus k into. Okay, I into 3 minus 1 minus 6 minus 3, j into 4 minus 1, 2 minus 3. Next k into 4, 3, 2 minus 6. Okay. Next I into 3 into minus 3, minus 9, minus 6 into minus 1, 6. Next minus j into 4 into minus 3, minus 12, minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Next plus k into 4 into minus 6, minus 24, minus 2 into 3, 6. So now minus 9 minus 6 how much? Minus 15i. Minus into minus plus here. So minus 12 plus 2, minus 10. Minus 10 into minus j becomes plus 10j. Next minus 24 minus 6, minus 30k. So here we can take 5 common, am I right? So 5 if you take becomes minus 3i plus 2j minus 6k. So this is A cross B. So actually formula is A cross B by modulus A cross B. So what is modulus A cross B? So which is called modulus 5 into minus 3i plus 2j minus 6k. So which is called modulus 5 means 5 only into root of I coefficient minus 3 square. Next j coefficient 2 square, k coefficient minus 6 whole square. Which is called 5 into root of minus 3 square means 9, 2 square means 4, minus 6 square means 36. This is called what? Root 49. So 5 into root 49. So 5 into root 49 means what? 5 into 7 means 35. Okay. So now write the formula. Therefore, unit vector perpendicular to A and B is equal plus or minus A cross B by modulus A cross B. So which is equal plus or minus, what is A cross B? A cross B means 5 into minus 3i plus 2j minus 6k by modulus A cross B. What is that? 35. 5 1 ja, 5 7 ja. So it is equal plus or minus 3i plus 2j minus 6k by 7. This is the answer. Or you can write, if you take minus common, minus into plus or minus becomes minus or plus. So minus or plus or minus same. So 3i minus 2j plus 6k by 7 also we can write. Okay, both are same right answers. Next, second problem, same type of problem as with one. A equal 2i minus 3j plus 5k, b bar equal minus I plus 4j plus 2k. Then find A cross B and unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. So what is the formula? Plus or minus A cross B by modulus A cross B. Okay, you will get the answer. Do you want answer? First A cross B you will get answer. I am going to give minus 26i plus 9j plus 5k. Okay, this is A cross B. Next unit vector perpendicular both is plus or minus minus 26i plus 9j plus 5k by root how much? I think it is 782. Okay, like that. Next take third problem. This is very important, very important. Okay, very important third problem. Find the angle between the vectors I plus 2j plus 3k and 3i minus j plus 2k. Okay, so let one vector, first one is A equal to I plus 2j plus 3k and vector B equal to 3i minus j plus 2k. What is the angle formula? If angle is theta, let then cos theta formula is A bar dot B bar by mod A mod B. So which is equal A bar dot B bar means I plus 2j plus 3k dot B bar means 3i minus j plus 2k by modulus A means modulus 2i plus 2j plus 3k into modulus 3i minus j plus 2k. Okay. Of course, same formula in maths B also repeated. In the planes, how to find the angle between two planes? Same formula, but here we wrote in the vector formation A dot B by mod A mod. There we can write cos theta equal A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. If you simplify this also, we get in the same model. Okay. Come to here, cos theta formula A dot B by mod A mod B. A means this one, dot B means this one. And simplify this, we can get the angle. So how can we do? Dot product I coefficient with I coefficient. 1 into 3, 3. Next j coefficient with j coefficient. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Next 3 into 2 is 6. No need to write ijk terms. Next modulus means what? Root of I coefficient 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. into root of I coefficient 3 square minus 1 square plus 2 square. How much? 6 plus 3 9. 9 minus 2 7 by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. How much? 1 plus 4 plus 9 into root of 9 plus 1 plus 4. So which cos theta equal to 7 by how much it is? 1 plus 4 5 plus 9 root 14 into here also 9 plus 1 10 plus 4 root 14. Root 14 into root 14 how much? Just 14. So 7 1 ja 7 2 ja. We are getting cos theta equal to 1 by 2. So when cos value is 1 by 2 at angle 60 degrees per by 2. That means 5 by 3 radians or 60 degrees. Write any one or both. That is the angle formula. Is it easy or not? Simple formula. So I will give you one more question. Okay. Next fourth problem. Find angle between the planes r bar dot 2i minus j plus 2k is equal to 3 and r bar dot 3i plus 6j plus k is equal to 4. Okay. Actually these are the plane equations. Means r means xi plus yj plus zk. If you simplify you get to 2x minus y plus 2z is equal to 3. So like that you will get plane equations. So from if the question is given in this model also we can use the same formula. Let's take this is as a vector a. This is take vector b. Means a bar equal to 2i minus j plus 2k. B bar equal to 3i plus 6j plus k take. Then as usually find the angle between two vectors. Cos theta equal a dot b by mod a mod b. Okay. Can you do this one? Okay. You want answer? Answer is cos theta equal to 2 by 3 into root 46 is the answer. Okay. Do it and verify. Next, fifth one. If a equal to 2i plus 2j minus 3k and b bar equal 3i minus j plus 2k, then find the angle between 2a plus b and a plus 2b. Here asking the angle but between not a and b, between 2a plus b and a plus 2b. So first a is given as 2i plus 2j minus 3k and b is given as 3i minus j plus 2k. Okay, what is 2a plus b? 2a plus b what? So 2a plus b is equal 2 into a. So 2 into vector a, that is 2i plus 2j minus 3k and plus b. B means 3i minus j plus 2k. Okay, simplifying this. So which is equal, what is it? 2 2 ja 4i, 2 2 ja 4j, 2 3 ja 6k and plus 3i minus j plus 2k as it is. So which is called now I terms. 4i 3i. So becomes 7i. 4j plus minus j becomes plus 3j minus 6k plus 2k becomes minus 4k. So this is 2a plus b. We got it. 2a plus b we got it. Similarly a plus 2b, second vector a plus 2b. So a means a only, that is 2i plus 2j minus 3k plus 2 into b. B means what? 3i minus j plus 2k. Simplify this. 2i plus 2j minus 3k as it is. Now 2 3 ja 6i, 2 into minus j minus 2j, 2 into 2k 4k. Now what are the items? 2i plus 6i becomes 8i, 2j minus 2j gets cancelled, plus 4k minus 3k is plus k. So this is a plus 2b vector. So we got two vectors. Now what is the angle cos theta formula? Cos theta is here not a and b, between 2a plus b and a plus 2b. Therefore 2a plus b dot a plus 2b by mod 2a plus b into mod a plus 2b. Okay. So what is 2a plus b means what? 7i plus 3j minus 4k dot a plus 2b means what? 8i plus k by modulus 7i plus 3j minus 4k into modulus 8i plus k. Once check it, anything wrong? 2a plus b 4 3 7, 4 minus 1 3 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. Next a plus 2b 2 plus 6 8, 2j minus 2j 0 minus 3k plus 4k minus plus 1k. Right. Now simplify this. How can we simplify? I with I 7 8 ja 56. J with j, but here j is not there. So here j means 0. 0 into 3 0. K terms minus 4 into 1 minus 4 by root of 7 square plus 3 square plus minus 4 square into root of I coefficient 8 square, j coefficient nothing 0, k coefficient 1 square. Simplify this, we can get cos theta answer. Okay, let theta is angle between 2a plus b and a plus 2b. Therefore, cos theta formula is that one, and proceed. Okay, now 56 minus 4, how much? 52 by root of 7 square 49 plus 3 square 9 plus minus 4 whole square 16 into root of 8 square 64 plus 1 square is 1. Okay, then is equal 52 by how much? It's add this one 49 plus 9 58 16 74 into 65. Can we more simplify? This is means 35 13 5 ja is this 2 into 37. 2 into 37 means, so now we can't get any simplification, we can keep here. If it is possible, do it, otherwise we can stop there. So that is the cos theta answer. Finally, we can write theta equal to cos inverse of 52 by root of 74 into 65. 74 into 65. Or if you multiply, you will get to what you will get? Root of, do it and write down. Okay, that's it. That's the answer. Go to next problem. Next, sixth question. Let a equal 2i minus j plus k, b equal 3i plus 4j minus k, and theta is the angle between a and b. Then find sin theta. Okay, two ways we can simplify this problem. First, usually we can find the cos theta by using a dot b by mod a mod b. After getting cos theta, we can get sin theta. If you know cos theta, we can write sin theta, root of 1 minus cos square theta formula. Otherwise, directly we can use sin theta formula, that is modulus a cross b by mod a mod b. Am I right? So, what is a? Given that a is 2i minus j plus k and b is 3i plus 4j minus k. So, which formula? Second formula. Okay, I use sin theta formula. What is sin theta formula? Sin theta equal to modulus a cross b by mod a mod b. So let us find what is a cross b and what is modulus a cross b and what is mod a, what is mod b. Let I am going to find. So first to a cross b I want. A cross b means what? I, j, k. Terms 2 minus 1, 1, 3, 4 minus 1. Okay. So which is equal I into next minus j into next k into. What is the I terms? Minus 1, 1, 4 minus 1. J terms 2, 1, 3 minus 1. K terms 2 minus 1, 3, 4. So which is called I into minus 1 into minus 1, 1 minus 4 into 1, 4. Minus j into 2 into minus 1, minus 2 minus 3 into 1, 3. Plus k into 2 into 4, 8 minus 3 into minus 1, minus 3. So which is called 1 minus 4 minus 3i. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 into minus j plus 5j. Next to minus 2 minus plus 8 plus 3, 11k. This is 11k. This is a cross b. Next to what is modulus a cross b? What is modulus a cross b? Can we simplify or write in the formula? Okay. Okay, take the formula then. So then sin theta is called modulus a cross b, means modulus minus 3i plus 5j plus 11k by mod a. Mod a means what? Modulus 2i minus j plus k into modulus 3i plus 4j minus k. Okay. Before writing formula, you can find mod a cross b, mod a mod b values and substitute these three values in the formula directly, or write the formula and go continuation. Modulus means what? Root of minus 3 whole square plus 5 square plus 11 square by root of I coefficient 2 square minus 1 square plus 1 square into I coefficient 3 square plus 4 square plus minus 1 square, which is equal, what do we get? Minus 3 whole square means 9, 5 square means 25, 11 square means 121 by root of 2 square means 4 plus 1 plus 1 into root of 9 plus 16 plus 1. So which is equal root of, how much it becomes? See, 1569 15 3 2 5. So 155 by root 6 into root. How much it is? Root 26. Can we simplify? 5 3 ja, 5 1 ja. No. By 2 into 13, 2 into 3. Root 2 into root 3, root 2 into. So we can get 155 by root 2 into 3, root 2 into 13. So 2 into 3 into 13, root 39. Sin theta equal. This is the answer. He is asked for sin theta. Once check it. If anything is wrong, please modify, because I think everything is perfect. So after that, the next problem, 7th one. If mod p equal to 2, mod q equal to 3, angle between p comma q is equal to pi by 6, then find modulus p cross q whole square. Okay na? So mod p mod q angle and modulus p cross q means which formula we can apply? Yes, very good. Sine formula we can apply. Okay na? We know that sin theta equal, we can write in terms of p and q, mod p cross q by mod p into mod q. Okay, based on sin theta equal mod a cross b by mod a mod b. Like that, sin theta equal, we can write modulus p cross q by mod p into mod q. Okay, so given that mod p equal to 2, modulus q equal to 3, angle between p comma q equal pi by 6. So let theta is angle between p and q, that is pi by 6. So immediately we can get sin pi by 6 is equal modulus p cross q by, what is mod p? 2 into what is mod q? 3. So 2 into 3. What is sin pi by 6? Means sin 30. Sin 30 what? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 equal modulus p cross q by 2 into 3. Both sides we can cancel 2 2. So 3 central left side. 3 into 1 3. Here nothing 1. 1 into mod p cross q, modulus p cross q is equal to 3. But we want to modulus p cross q whole square. So squaring on both sides we get. Therefore modulus p cross q whole square equal 3 square. So which is equal to 9. What is the answer? Modulus p cross q whole square equal 9. Very simple question. Go to next one. Next to 8th one. This is very most important problem. Okay, not only this 8th one, after 8th, 9th, 10th, just 4 questions are very most important. If a equal to I plus 2j minus 3k, b equal to 3i minus j plus 2k, then show that a plus b and a minus b are perpendicular to each other. Okay, first given that what is a is given I plus 2j minus 3k and b is given 3i minus j plus 2k. Let us find first of all what is a plus b and what is a minus b. A plus b means adding both I plus 2j minus 3k plus 3i minus j plus 2k. Okay, so which is equal I plus 3i 4i and 2j minus j becomes j minus 3k plus 2k means minus k. So this is a plus b. Next similarly find out a minus b. A minus b means what? First a I plus 2j minus 3k minus b. So 3i minus j plus 2k. I am writing one more step here. I plus 2j minus 3k minus 3i plus j minus 2k. Am I right? Now I minus 3i is minus 2i plus 2j plus j is plus 3j minus 3k minus 2k is minus 5k. So I got a minus b also. So now how can we prove the perpendicular means? Yes, I just find the a plus b dot a minus b. If I get answer 0, then I can say both are perpendicular. Okay, I'm checking whether those are getting 0 or not. Dot product 4i plus j minus k dot minus 2i plus 3j minus 5k. So which is called I coefficient with I coefficient means 4 into minus 2 minus 8. Next j coefficient with j coefficient. 1 into 3 is 3. K coefficient with K coefficient. Minus 1 into minus 5 is plus 5. So minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. So therefore we are getting the dot product of a plus b dot a minus b is equal to 0. Therefore a plus b and a minus b are perpendicular each other. Perpendicular each other. So simple question, but it is important. Okay. See the next problem. Okay. This is also very important problem. So 9th one. if the vectors lambda I minus 3j plus 5k and 2 lambda I minus lambda j minus k are perpendicular to each other, then find lambda. Okay, so here given that let A is I'm taking lambda I minus 3j plus 5k, and second vector let I'm taking as B, that is 2 lambda I minus lambda j minus k. So given that these two vectors means those two are assumed as A and B. So given that those two means A and B are perpendicular, am I right? Perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means what? A dot B equal to 0. Am I right? If A dot B equals 0, A and B are perpendicular. Otherwise, if A, B are perpendicular given, then we can take condition A dot B equals 0. So that implies A dot B. A means what? Lambda I minus 3j plus 5k dot B means what? 2 lambda I minus lambda j minus k and is equal 0 as it is. Now do dot product. I term with I term. J coefficient with J coefficient. K coefficient with K coefficient. Okay. Okay. Lambda into 2 lambda becomes 2 lambda square. Next minus 3 into minus lambda becomes plus 3 lambda. Next 5 into minus 1 becomes minus 5 is equal to 0 as it is. Now it is a quadratic equation in lambda. So we can simplify by factorization method or using formula. So let us try to factorization method. Here lambda square coefficient 2, here constant 5. So 2 into minus 5 minus 10. Product is minus 10. And middle sum is 3. S is 3. Okay. So we have to choose two numbers. See, 5 into minus 2. 5 into minus 2 becomes what? Minus 10. And 5 plus minus 2 becomes what? 3. So 5 and minus 2 are satisfying. So first 2 lambda square as it is, minus 5 is equal to 0 as it is. What about the numbers? 5 and minus 2. 5 and minus 2. So take plus 5 lambda minus 2 lambda. Plus 5 lambda minus 2 lambda. So minus 2 lambda plus 5 lambda. However, we can write. Now from first 2 take 2 lambda common, then lambda minus 1 is remaining. From next 2 only 5 is common, then lambda minus 1 is remaining and is equal to 0 as it is. Again lambda minus 1 is common in both, am I right? So then the remaining is 2 lambda plus 5 and is equal to 0. So therefore lambda minus 1 equal to 0, then lambda equal to 1. One answer. Or 2 lambda plus 5 equal to 0, then 2 lambda equal minus 5. Then lambda equal minus 5 by 2 is answer. So what are the lambda values? Therefore lambda equal to 1 or minus 5 by 2 is the answer. Got it? 10th problem. This is also very most important. If 4i plus 2p by 3j plus pk is parallel to the vector I plus 2j plus 3k, then find p. Okay. How to do? If two vectors are parallel, if two vectors are perpendicular, condition is a dot b equal 0. If two vectors are parallel, then what is condition? Yes, very good. x1 by x2 is equal to y1 by y2 equal z1 by z2. Or if you take in terms of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Whatever you think. So let a equal to 4i plus 2p by 3j plus pk and b bar is taken as I plus 2j plus 3k, and given that a bar and b bar are parallel. So parallel means what is the condition? I coefficient by I coefficient means 4 by 1 is equal j coefficient by j coefficient means 2p by 3 by 2 is equal k coefficient by k coefficient, so p by 3. So equating either first and second or second and third or first and third, you can get p value. I'm just equating first and last. 4 by 1 equal p by 3. Cross multiplication. 1 into p is equal 4 into 3 12. So got it p value. Do you have any doubt? You can be equating first and second also. 4 by 1 equal 2p by, so 3 goes to denominator, 3 2 ja 6. So do cross multiplication, otherwise 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. This also represents same thing. 3 4 ja 12. 1 into p. So p equal to 12. What is the answer? Therefore p equal to 12 is the answer. If you do any one, it's enough. A small question but very important for 2 marks. Next 11th question. if the vectors a bar equal 2i minus j plus k, b bar equal I plus 2j minus 3k, and c bar equal 3i plus pj plus 5k are coplanar, then find p. Okay, what are the given vectors? One is a 2i minus j plus k, and second one b I plus 2j minus 3k, and third one c is 3i plus pj plus 5k. So given that these three a, b, c are coplanar. Coplanar means what? Means lie on same line. So which condition? That is box a, b, c is equal to 0. So box a, b, c means what? Determinant is equal to 0. So determinant of a, first a elements 2, minus 1, 1, b 1, 2, minus 3, and the c elements 3, p 5. Simplifying this we can get p value. Can you do? Okay. So I am doing directly, you try it. 2 into 10 plus 3p plus 1 into, you do in the normal method, I am writing directly, 5 plus 9 plus 1 into p minus 6 is equal to 0. So we get 2 into 3, 5p plus 1p, 6p. Sorry, 2 3 is 6. Okay, 2 10 is 20 plus 2 3 is 6p plus 14 plus p minus 6 is equal to 0. 6p plus p 7p, and numerical numbers 20 plus 14 34. 34 minus 6. How much? 34 minus 6 8 28. So 28 equal 0. Then 7p equal to minus 28. P equal to minus 28 by 7. 7 4 jar, then p equal to minus 4 is the answer. That's it. Very simple. Next about area. Find area of parallelogram having a equal to 2j minus k, b bar equal to minus I plus k as adjacent sides. Okay. So same type of one more question, 2i minus 3j, 3i minus k as adjacent sides. And 14th one, find area parallelogram whose diagonals are 3i plus j minus 2k and I minus 3j plus 4k. These three comes under same type of problem. So what is formula of area of parallelogram? Simply base into height. But here in the vectors modulus a cross b. If sides are given, here also modulus a cross b. But in the diagonals is half into modulus c cross d. We should find. What is c? C is one vector and d is second vector. Write them and do it. Simplify. You will get 5 root 3 is the answer. Okay, one I will tell you. So let a equal, already a is given 2j minus k, b bar equal to minus I plus k. So therefore first find a cross b. So that is I, j, k. Here a elements, here I term is not available 0, j term is 2, k term is minus 1, and here I term is minus 1, j coefficient is not there, k coefficient is 1. Simplifying this, I into minus j into plus k into I into 2 1 is 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0, j into 0 into 1 0 minus 1, k into 0 into 0 minus 2 becomes plus 2. So we get 2i plus j plus 2k. So this is a cross b. So therefore area of parallelogram is equal modulus a cross b. So which is called modulus 2i plus j plus 2k. So which is called root of, how can we write? 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square means we get root 9. Root 9 means 3 square units is the answer. Okay, this is the how to find the area of parallelogram. Same usually do this 13th one. Okay, let's take this is A, this is B. How can we do A cross B? Modulus I, J, K. Okay, 2 minus 3, 0, 3, 0 minus 1. And simplify, you will get the some answer. Next 14th also find area parallelogram. Here formula is mod half into C cross D. First to find the C cross D information. After getting C cross D, find modulus C cross D. After getting modulus is done, write formula and substitute in that, you will get 5 root 3 is the answer. Is it clear? Of course, not only these three sums, if anyone is given in the question, so you can do in this same process. Next, 15th one is simple question. You do it. A bar equal to I minus j plus k, b bar equal to I minus 3j minus 5k. Then find modulus a cross b. Okay, first to find out a cross b, then find modulus a cross b. Answer is root 210. It's a simple question. Okay, next to 16th one. This is important problem. Let a bar equal to I plus j plus k and b bar equal to 2i plus 3j plus k. Find the projection vector of b bar on a bar and its magnitude. Okay, how can we find the projection vector of b on a? Projection vector of b on a formula is b bar dot a bar into a bar by mod a square. Am I right? This is projection vector of b on a. On a means a should be in the denominator. So on a formula is numerator, b bar dot a bar into a bar by mod a bar square. This is the formula. So a is given, b is given. So we need to find what is b dot a and what is a mod a. Those two, after finding, write the formula and simplify. So solution. For given that a bar equal I plus j plus k and b bar equal 2i plus 3j plus k. A and b are given. First I am going to find what is b dot a. Okay. So b bar dot a bar equal 2i plus 3j plus k dot a bar I plus j plus k. So which is equal I coefficient with I coefficient 2 into 1 2. Next j coefficient with j coefficient 3 into 1 is 3. K coefficient with k coefficient 1 into 1 is 1. So 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6. This is b bar dot a bar value. Next we want mod a also. So a is I plus j plus k and mod a becomes what? Modulus I plus j plus k. So which is equal what? Root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, which is called root 3. So mod a equal to what? Root 3. We got all values. Therefore write the formula. Therefore projection of, okay, here I am writing projection of b bar on a bar is b bar dot a bar into mod a, sorry, b bar dot a bar by mod a square. So which is equal, what is b bar? B dot a, b dot a is 6. So 6 into a means I plus j plus k by mod a square. So mod a is root 3, therefore mod a square is root 3 square means 3 by 3. So 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. What is the answer? 2 into I plus j plus k is answer. This is the projection of b bar on a bar. Next, what is asking? Is asking and also find its magnitude. Therefore now magnitude of which? Magnitude of some projection vector of b. Magnitude of projection vector of b on a is equal modulus 2 into I plus j plus k. So which is modulus 2 means 2, modulus I plus j plus means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3, sorry, 1 square plus j coefficient 1 square plus k coefficient 1 square is equal to 2 into root 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2 into root 3 is the answer. This is the length of the projection vector of b on a. Okay, next to 17th problem. This is also same problem, but in the previous problem they asked projection vector of b on a. But here, what is question? A bar equal to I plus j plus k, b bar equal to 2i plus 3j plus k. Same vectors. Find the vector component of b bar in the direction of a bar and perpendicular to a bar. So vector component of b in the direction of a bar. What is formula? Same formula, but small difference. B bar minus b bar dot a bar into mod a by mod a square. So this is the formula. What is the formula? Vector component of b bar perpendicular to a bar is, this is the formula. So that's why we can use all as usually. What is b dot a? What is mod a? Same as usually. Find the projection b on a. After getting this information, this we got it as 2 into I plus j plus k. And b bar means what? B bar means 2i plus 3j plus k as it is, minus what is this? This is 2 into I plus j plus k. Actually this is projection vector. If you subtract this projection vector from b bar, that is vector component. So which is equal to, simplify this, 2i plus 3j plus k minus 2 into I minus 2i minus 2 into j minus 2j minus 2 into k minus 2k. So 2i minus 2i cancel, 3j minus 2j is j, k minus 2k is minus k. So this is the vector component of b perpendicular to a bar. That's it. Next one, 19th one. Compute A cross B plus C plus B cross C plus A plus C cross A plus B. Okay. These are very small questions. So what is that? A cross B plus C plus B cross C plus A plus C cross A plus B. Just to simplify, A cross B plus A cross C. That's it. Very simple. Next, B cross C plus B cross A. Next, C cross A plus C cross B. That's it. Okay, just changing the direction. A cross B as easily we can write, but here B cross A is there, so that we can write as minus A cross B. If you change the direction, plus becomes minus. Next, in A cross C, C cross A, change any one. So A cross C writing as easily, then C cross A can be written as minus A cross. Next, B cross C write as easily. Next, C cross B can be written as minus B cross C. So now A cross B minus A cross B cancel, and plus A cross C minus A cross C cancel, plus B cross C minus B cross C cancel. What is the remaining? 0. That is the answer. Answer. Next, compute box I minus j, j minus k, k minus n. So what do you mean by box determinant? J minus k, k minus n, which is equal determinant I term 1, j coefficient minus 1, k coefficient 0. Next, j coefficient 1, k coefficient minus 1. Next, I coefficient minus 1, j coefficient 0, k coefficient 1. Simplify this, we can get determinant of, box of I minus j, j minus k, k minus 1. Can you do? So 1 into 1, 1 minus 0, minus of minus 1 plus 1 into plus 1 into 1 into 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 plus 0 into 0 minus 1. So we get 1 minus 0, 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, we get 0. 0 is the answer. And we can say I minus j, j minus k, k minus r coplanar also we can say, but that point is not mentioned, that way no need to write. Next, similarly, one more question, 21. If A comma B comma C are some three vectors, then show that box A plus B, just a minute, B plus C, C plus A plus B. Box B plus C, C plus A plus B. This is called 2 into box A, B, C. Okay, same type of question, no difference. But here it is given in terms of A, B, C, that is in terms of I, J, K. So taking LHS, what is that? Box B plus C, C plus A plus B. So which is equal determinant? First vector, A term is not there, 0, B coefficient 1, C coefficient 1. From second vectors, here A coefficient is 1, B coefficient 0, C coefficient is 1. Next, from here A coefficient 1, B coefficient 1, C coefficient 0. And into box ABC we should write. Wherever the box contains in terms of ABC, we should write into box ABC. If into IJK, no need to write, because of, if you write box IJK, also no problem, but box IJK value is 1. So that's why 1 into 0 into 1, 0. Then also we get same answer, but finally what the box IJK means 1. Okay, I is a unit vector, J is a unit vector, K is a unit vector, but A, B, C are some vectors. So simplify this, you get 2, and what is that term? A, B, C. So got it RHS, is called RHS henceforth. Do in middle, okay? Do that calculation part and write it. Don't write like directly. Next problem, show that I cross A cross I plus J cross A cross J plus K cross A cross K is equal to 2A for any vector small a bar. So take LHS, simplify, we get RHS. But before that, let what is A? Let A is I am taking as some, what we can take, yeah, xi plus yj plus zk. I am taking some A is xi plus yj plus zk. So before taking LHS, first find what is A cross I, what is A cross J, what is A cross K. Okay. So first I am going to find A cross I. So A cross I means determinant determinant ijk as usually. Next to A elements, vector A elements x, y, z. Next to second vector only I is there. I means I coefficient 1 only. Next to what about j and k terms? Nothing. So 0, 0. Is it clear? So 1 only I can simplify. Remaining 2 terms I can write directly. Is it clear? So which is equal I into yz 0, 0 minus j into xz 1, 0 plus k into xy 1, 0. Simplify this. I into y into 0, 0 minus 0 minus j into x into 0, 0 minus z into 1 z plus k into x into 0, 0 minus y. So finally we get 0i plus zj minus yk. So I got it zj minus yk. So this is a cross I. A cross I equal. Similarly, what is will be a cross j? A cross j will be, see, I term is not presented, so j term is not presented. So we get only, any doubt? So do a cross j also. If you have any doubt, do a cross j also. A cross j means I, j, k. Next a elements x, y, z, and j term is there. So I term can 1. I coefficient, k coefficient 0, j coefficient is 1. So directly I am doing, you do in that method. So plus or minus plus, plus minus plus minus, plus minus plus. So minus 1 into we get zi minus xk. So we get xk minus zi. So this is a cross j. A cross j we can get xk minus zi. Then after a cross k. A cross k. Similarly, a cross k. Okay. Zj. A cross k means ij terms only we can get. So what are the ij terms? K term is not available. So in this j term is minus, I term is positive. Because of by comparing these two we can say. Next, what about I cross j xz? So here z, here y, and then after substitute in write LHS, substitute in LHS, simplify, you get 2a. So this is become a big method. Am I right? So I will tell you one small method other than this. Okay, you try it. If you get, definitely you will get, but it will become very large. But I am telling you second method, that is very simple and small method. Directly take LHS, that is I cross a cross I plus j cross a cross j plus k cross a cross k. Do you know a cross b cross c is equal? In 7 marks questions, one theorem is there. We proved that theorem also in part 2. Yes, that is, if a cross b cross is equal a dot c into b, like I dot I into a minus I dot a into I, for this. Similarly, j dot j into a minus j dot a into j. Okay, we using formula a cross b cross c is equal a dot c into b minus a dot b into c formula we are using. Okay, it is a theorem. Even we proved that theorem also. Long questions, I think part 2. Okay, next k into k dot k into a minus k dot a into k. So this is the simplification. I dot I value is 1 definitely. So we get only a bar minus a into I. A means x1i plus y1j plus z1k. So here also let a equal to xi plus yj plus zk, assumed in second method also. I dot a means we get only x only. Next into I means I. Similarly, j dot j 1 into a is j dot a is only we get y, into j means j, plus k dot k we get 1 into a is minus k dot a means we get only z, into k means k. So a plus a means 3a. In remaining terms, take minus common, remaining we get xi plus yj plus zk. So this is called 3a. This becomes what? Again a. So 3a minus a is 2a. Got it, RHS? Yes, got it. So this is the simple method, but remember this formula A cross B cross is equal to A dot C into B minus A dot B into A C. So using that formula we can simply do. Even this is also right, but my better suggestion is, so no need to write this one, just write down this one, that is enough. Next to 23, of course this is also same type of question. For any vector A, show that modulus A cross I whole square plus modulus A cross J whole square plus modulus A cross K whole square is equal 2 into modulus A square. But this is important problem. Okay, A is any vector, so let A equal, I am taking xi plus yj plus zk. Same as usually previous question. Okay, not second, first method, first method. How to do? First simplify modulus A cross I whole square. So first A cross I equal to what? First A cross I equal to what? A cross I means I, j, k, A elements x, y, z, I elements 1, 0, 0. Same process. So which is called I into y into 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 minus j into x into 0 minus 1 into z, 0 minus z plus k into x into 0, 0 minus y, so 0 minus y. So we get plus zj and minus yk. This is A cross I. Next A cross j. So A cross j equal determine I, j, k, A elements x, y, z and j terms only one remaining 0. So which is equal I into minus j into plus k into I into y into 0, 0 minus z, 0 minus z and j into x into 0 minus 0 into z, 0 minus 0, next k into x minus 0. So we get x into k, first minus zi and 0 this is, and xk is remaining, x into k. Next last one A cross k. So A cross k is equal I, j, k, A elements x, y, z, k means 0, 0, 1. Only k term is there, I term, j term is not there, which is called I into y into 1, y minus z, 0 minus j into plus k into. Simplified for j into x into 1, x minus 0 into z, 0, k into 0 minus 0. So we get yi minus minus xj. So this is A cross k. So now take LHS and simplify. So therefore LHS is equal modulus A cross I whole square plus modulus A cross j whole square plus modulus A cross k whole square. This is called modulus A cross I. What is A cross I? Zj minus yk. So modulus Zj minus yk whole square plus modulus A cross j what? That is minus Zi plus xk whole square plus modulus A cross k what? Yi minus xj whole square, which is equal, modulus means what? Root of, and square means square, root of. Okay, square also is there, write down square as to j coefficient here z square and k coefficient minus y whole square, here minus z square plus x square, here y square plus minus x square. But in all square root cancel. So LHS we are simplifying. Finally we are getting z square plus y square, and plus here z square plus x square, and here y square plus x square, See, once all are two terms repeated. So 2 into x square plus y square plus z square. Am I right? So 2 into, we can write root of x square plus y square plus z square whole square I am writing. Okay, squaring and square rooting. Why? Because of this is nothing but mod A and whole square means whole square. Got it? So is it called RHS? Hence proved. Otherwise you can leave the answer here and you take RHS and simplify, you will get same answer. Then also we can write LHS equal RHS and proved. So this is the important question. And last one more question in this 2 marks, we can complete this chapter. Okay, one more, I think last question. In this chapter, many 2 marks questions are there which are not important. But these questions are enough. After completion of my classes videos, please do the previous question papers. After that, if you have time, then do the remaining all 2 marks problems. So This is also same problem can we see in the Maths 1B plane, the chapter planes, 2 marks questions. There also we can simplify that. So this can be done in 2 methods, in plane equations and in vector method. So in vector method, let us see first of all what is the point of that position vector of A. So directly, sorry. So what is point A? So given that A is 2 minus 1 minus 4. So position vector of A is OA equal 2i minus j minus 4k. And let position vector of point P, that is OP, xi plus yj plus zk. In Cartesian plane we have to take like this vector. So then immediately what is AP? AP means OP minus OA. So xi plus yj plus zk minus OA means 2i minus j minus 4k. So which is equal to x minus 2 into I plus y minus 1 into minus plus j plus z plus 4 into k. Why? Because of minus into minus plus. This is AP. And parallel plane also is given. See, when the parallel plane is given, in this x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient are called as direction ratios normal to this plane. So we can take these 4, 12, 3 as one more vector, that is small n bar equal to, we can take 4i minus 12j minus 3k. So now the vector equation is AP dot n is equal to 0. Okay. So therefore the Cartesian plane equation, Cartesian equation of plane is AP dot n bar equal 0. This is the formula. So now AP means what? X minus 2 into I plus y plus 1 into j plus z plus 4 into k dot n bar. What is n bar? 4i minus 12j minus 3k is equal to 0. So now dot product, I product into I, 4 into x minus 2, 4 into x minus 2. Next minus 12 into y plus 1. Next minus 3 into z plus 4 is equal to 0. Simplify this, we can get the Cartesian plane equation. 4x minus 8 minus 12y minus 12 minus 3z minus 12 equals 0. So equation is 4x minus 12y minus 3z and the constant terms 8, 12, 20, 32 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Okay. This is can be done in vector method. Same question can be asked in the Maths 1B planes. There I think I taught or not, I don't know. I don't remember. So how to do in that vector, in that plane equation means these are the direction ratios A, B, C. So formula is x into A into x minus 1 plus B into y minus 1 plus C into z minus 1 equal 0. A means what? 4 plus B means minus 12 and plus C means minus 3 and x, y are the variables, right, as x1, y1, z1 means given point x1, y1, z1. Okay. Second method, I think it is used in the plane equations. So 2 minus into minus plus 1 minus minus plus 4 equal 0. Simplify this, we get same answer. 4 into x, 4x, minus 12 into y, minus 12y, minus 3 into z, minus 3z, 4 into minus 2, minus 8, minus 12 into 1, minus 12, minus 3 into minus 4, minus 1, minus 32 equal 0. Okay, same problem we can solve in vector method or in plane method. Okay, but in vectors, try to learn this method. Okay, so these are the very short questions in one part, only in single part we completed very short questions of product of vectors. Part 1, part 2, 7 marks questions, and part 3, part 4, 4 marks questions, and part 5, 2 marks questions. So this is completely product of vectors. Is it clear? If you have any doubt, you can put in comment box. I will try to give reply. And moreover, thank you for watching our classes. And also, if till now not subscribed, please subscribe immediately. And watch my next classes also. Maths 1A, Maths 1B, Maths 2A, Maths 2B, and 10th class. All classes are available. So, how to get in easy way within the short time, short period, how to get more marks. Okay, I prepared very well for your community. Not only for this year. I have been 10 years, almost all 8 to 10 years I have experience in this method. This is a good method. I think it is useful to you. So thank you very much. for 10th class, intermediate maths 1A, maths 1B, maths 2A, maths 2B, AP and TS Telangana and Andhra Pradesh state syllabus model maths YouTube channel by Nagraj sir. Please subscribe and click bell button. Thank you very much, and share with your friends also.